A package unit is an all-in-one HVAC system for buildings. It contains all of its parts in one outdoor unit that sits on the roof or to the side of a building. A window air conditioner is the simplest example of such a unit. Refrigerant cycle runs clockwise in this diagram. Indoor air passes through the evaporative coil to be cooled, dehumidified, and delivered back to the space by the indoor fan. Outdoor fan drives outdoor air through the condensing coil to cool it. Condensation pan collects water condensed on the evaporative coil and directs water to outside with a pipe. A packaged terminal heat pump, PTHP, is an HVAC unit commonly used in hotels. PTHPs are ductless, flexible, and cost-effective. Similar to window ACs, PTHPs are installed through the wall below the window. They provide heating and cooling outputs by reversing the heat pump cycle. In the cooling mode, the refrigerant cycle runs clockwise in this diagram. Indoor air passes through the evaporative coil to be cooled and dehumidified. Outdoor fan drives outdoor air through condensing coil to cool it. In heating mode, the refrigeration cycle runs counterclockwise in this diagram. Indoor air passes through the condensing coil to be heated. Outdoor fan drives outdoor air through the evaporative coil to warm it up when outdoor temperature is not too low. An electric heat strip is usually included in a PTHP to provide auxiliary heat when the outdoor temperature drops so low that the heat pump begins to lose efficiency in the heating mode in the winter. A packaged heat pump is a common HVAC solution for residential or small commercial buildings. For residences that often have sloped roofs, a packaged heat pump is usually located to the side of the building. Both supply and retain air are ducted by a moderate set of ductworks. Fresh air is provided by infiltration through the cracks and gaps in the building envelope. A rooftop unit is a packaged HVAC unit installed on the roof, typically for low-rise commercial buildings. Rooftop units are cost-effective and easy to install. They save space and produce little noise inside the building. Rooftop units can be either ductless or duct. It can also control humidity and emit fresh air. A split heat pump includes an outdoor unit and an indoor unit connected by refrigerant pipes. The outdoor unit houses the outdoor coil, compressor, and a fan. The indoor unit houses the indoor coil and a fan. The fan in the indoor unit drives air via ductwork to the interior spaces. The indoor unit of a split system can be located either in the attic or on a floor of the house. As discussed earlier, for space heating, if the outdoor air temperature drops below freezing for an extended period, heat pumps lose their efficiency. A gas furnace burns fuel and it can generate heat on the coldest days. Therefore, in colder climates, air conditioning for cooling plus furnace for heating is often a more feasible option. In this design, the refrigerant cycle only provides cooling, whereas heating is handled by a gas furnace in the indoor unit. Therefore, the indoor unit contains the evaporator as part of the refrigerant cycle and a gas furnace. The indoor unit can also be located on a floor of the house. In both cases, air is delivered and returned through ductworks. Mini-split is a ductless heat pump system typically consisting of a wall-mounted indoor unit containing the indoor coil and the fan, and an outdoor unit containing the compressor, the outdoor coil, and the fan. The two units are connected by refrigerant pipes. Mini-splits are ductless, therefore they can avoid the energy loss from the ductwork required by central forced air systems, which can account for more than 30% of the energy consumption. Ductless mini-split systems are also easier to install than central systems and they are flexible for zoning, with each indoor unit serving a zone. It can be a single zone system in which one outdoor unit only serves one indoor unit, or multi-zoned with one outdoor unit serving multiple indoor units. One disadvantage of mini-split heat pump is aesthetics. Occupants may not like the appearance of the indoor unit on the wall.